Morning, students. Hope you all are safe at home and doing your studies also. So, today we are going to start with the topic scale of chapter 1 HCG 2. Now, what is scale? A scale shows the relation between distance measured on map and corresponding distance on the land. So, here they want to explain that scale shows the relation of the distance between two places on the map to the corresponding distance between same two places on the land. For example, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. So here this 1 centimeter is shown on the map. Distance between two places is 1 centimeter on the map, and distance between same two places is 1 kilometer on the ground. So that is scale. Let me explain you like this also. See, this is a paper and this is actual ground. So here the distance between two places is 1 centimeter and the distance between two places, same two places on the ground is 10 kilometers. The places are A and B. So if the distance between A and B, the space between A and B, the distance between A and B is 10 kilometers on the ground, that is not possible that we can show this 10 kilometer on the piece of paper. So what we have done is we have reduced this 10 kilometers to 1 centimeter. Fine. So this distance between same two places A and B is shown with 1 centimeter on the map. So this is what the scale is. So here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 kilometer on the ground. So this is 1 centimeter on the map and 10 kilometers on the ground. So this is what the scale is. Now types of scale. There are three types of scale by which distance can be measured. First is verbal scale or statement scale. Second is representative fraction or numerical fraction, and third is graphic scale or linear scale. So let us start with the first one, verbal or statement scale. So in this form, verbal or statement scale is expressed in the form of statement. Scale is expressed in the form of words. For example, 1 centimeter represents 10,000 kilometers. 1 inch represents 1 mile. 1 centimeter represents 10 feet. So here in these statement forms, in this form of verbal scale, it is like 1 centimeter on the map represents 10,000 kilometers on the ground. So this is what verbal scale is. Now second we have is representative fraction. So here representative fraction or RF, and we call it as numerical fraction also. In this method, the scale is given in form of ratio. This method shows the ratio of the distance between two places on the map and the distance between two places on the ground. Fine, this method shows the ratio between the distance on the map to the distance on the ground. For example, 1 ratio 25,000. So here this 1 is on the map and 25,000 is on the ground. So we can read it in any of the unit which is accepted by the country. So like 1 centimeter shows 25,000 centimeters. That means 1 centimeter on the map represents 25,000 centimeter on the ground. It can be written as 1 upon 25,000. So it would mean that 1 centimeter on the map, this 1 centimeter on the map represents 25,000 centimeters on the ground. So in this method, scale can be converted in any unit. Scale can be accepted in any unit, like 1 ratio 25,000 can be written as 1 inch on the map represents 25,000 inches on the ground. So that is representative fraction. Now next, third we have is linear or graphic scale. This scale also represents the same, that is what relationship between the distance on the map and distance on the ground, but in the form of graphical. It is drawn on scale according to the statement. So suppose the statement is 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. So according to this statement, we are going to draw the scale in this form. Like we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right hand side of 0, as we have given 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. So this one compartment is of 2 centimeters, which is showing 1 kilometer. 0 to 1 is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 to 6 is 6 kilometers here it is showing. So this scale is drawn for 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. To the right of 0, that is what I have explained you now. To right of 0, 6 kilometers are shown and each compartment is showing 2 centimeter, which is equals to 1 kilometer. And to the left of 0, we have one compartment, that is 0 to 1, that is of 2 centimeters. So to the left of 0, the 2 centimeter compartment is divided into 10 parts, 10 equal parts showing 100 meter each, and there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. As we all know, 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. As we all know that 1 kilometer shows 1000 meters. So if we have these 1000 meters, that is showing this 1 kilometer. So we have divided into 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we can divide it by 10 these divisions which we have divided it into. So 1000 upon 10 will be 100 meters. So this one compartment, that one division will show 100 meter to us. So that is what the linear scale is represented as. Thank you.